everyone. I'm here for lunch, and Fallon has made some goodies. If this don't put you in the Christmas spirit, I don't know what will, buddy.
Okay.
Look at that. Y'all wondering what this is? This is my Christmas present.
No birthday.
This is my birthday present.
He's getting it early because he guessed what it was. How does he do that? I don't know.
So I make smoothies every single morning.
He makes smoothies 3 times a day, y'all.
Yeah, I probably make smoothies. I mean, I make them every morning though.
Every morning, yeah.
Yeah, but I'll make
twice a day.
I'm fixing to make one right now with this Ninja. Our other one's is just about gone. This was 40 bucks, was it, Mom?
47 on
About
sale,
47 dollars. We got it on sale. Black Friday deal. I almost wrote Ninja on that one a bunch of times.
Jonah did it one day.
That thing don't win. I'm gonna tell you, I think what the biggest deal is, look at the blades on that.
Mm-hmm.
See the blades on that? That's where your problem is with your blenders out there, y'all. If y'all wondered, if you're staying up late at night wondering what in the world's wrong with my blender.
They had a real fancy dancy one.
We don't get the fancy dancy, we just get the fancy.
Yeah, the fancy
but the
dancy.
fancy dancy, we don't get.
The fancy dancy one was on sale for $100, and it sensed if you put in frozen or non-frozen items.
I don't need them that smart.
Right. I knew he would just be like, I just want a regular blender, so I didn't go fancy dancy. We just went with this one.
I don't need to do that. I know if it's frozen or not. You know how I know if it's frozen or not? I just look right here. Cold. Extra cold. Let's make a smoothie.
We got tired of seeing you take that other one off and shake it about
Folks,
50
if y'all
times.
only could see me at 5 o'clock in the morning over here like this right here.
Yeah,
shaking
he
that
was.
blender. We got it washed. Okay, so we got the top on. Let's go. I guess you just hit this.
Well, I already turned it on for you.
Okay.
Yeah.
So I got to pick which
You pick
one.
low, medium, or high. Yeah.
Let's go with medium. Look at that. That's a blender right there, buddy. Absolutely great.
Better than the other blender?
Yes, absolutely, and it was easy. You pushed a button.
You didn't have to shake.
You don't have to shake it.
Starting some vegetable beef soup, y'all. We're just gonna cook the ground beef in this pot, and then we'll drain it and add everything else in. This soup is super easy, y'all. Super easy, yes. It's just ground beef, tomato soup, and then we put in whatever vegetables we have. We have some okra, carrots, onions. I think I'm gonna go ahead and put the onion in here cooking with the ground beef. So okra, carrots, onions, and maybe some green beans. We have the okra in there green though. I found some corn. I don't normally put corn, but we'll put corn, okra, carrots, and onions. A lot of times we make this same soup and we just call it lima bean soup because the only vegetable we put in is lima beans, and that is one of the kids' absolute favorites. That's a recipe my mama made for us when we were little. And I don't know if we came up with calling it lima bean soup or if that's what Mama called it. And I keep forgetting to ask her how she even came up with that. Or like, was that the only vegetable she had that day or something, so she just put those in? I don't know, but she made it a lot. So it was one of our favorite things when we were kids, and all of my kids love it. Okay, so let me chop up an onion and we'll put it in here with the ground beef and the carrots. That way they can go ahead and be getting tender too. Okay, we got the onion in there. We still have some Christmas decorating to do. So far, we got the tree up, and I put a few little things out in here. Like I did that stand over there, and over there at the coffee station. My coffee maker died on me, y'all, so it's still over there right now, but it's, yeah. I looked up what might be going on with it, and it said something about something needing to be replaced in it. And that coffee pot, I think it was like $20 or $25. And to replace all that, it's gonna be almost $20, so we'll just get a different coffee maker sometime. For now, we'll use our little, I don't even know what those things are called. These that Titus got a while back. I forget what they're called. That has a bottom that goes on it, you know. We have a couple of these, and we have 2 French press coffee makers, so we'll use those for now. I like making the big pot because that thing kept the coffee hot for like 2 to 3 hours, sometimes close to 4 hours. And so I liked having that, you know, all through the morning. The coffee stayed hot. Next time we go to Walmart, we'll just grab probably the exact same one. That one's lasted us a long time. And we just made coffee in it last night. So it was crazy that it wouldn't work this morning. All of a sudden, it was like, I'm done. Merry Christmas. I really like it because you can program it to go ahead and make the coffee for you in the morning. You know, you get it ready and set the timer. Still have a little mess back there on the counter. We made some Christmas treats earlier. All right, I think that's enough carrots. Ground beef is just about done, and then we'll drain it and just add everything else in. Do y'all want to paint your Christmas trees? I got the kids these light up Christmas trees from Walmart. I think they were like $4.98, I think. Sissy's getting yours for you. Oh, there it is.
For nighttime.
Oh, it does different colors. That's
for
pretty.
nighttime.
Yeah. Oh, that's looking nice.
To wash it off. Happy little trees. Do you know what this is getting? Huh? Do you know what this is getting?
Okay, so we got the ground beef drained. Now we're gonna put in the tomato soup. I have one big family size can and one smaller can. Okay, we'll fill this up with water. Now we'll open up the big one. I'm gonna turn my heat back up just a little bit. And I'm just gonna do half a can of water with this one since our corn is frozen. When it thaws out in here, it's gonna create some liquid too, so we'll just keep an eye on it. If we need to add more, we will. We'll go ahead and put in the corn. And the okra. I don't know if I'll need both of these packs of okra. Yeah, I think we'll just do one bag. Because, yeah, that's a good bit. We're getting full here. I will put some diced tomatoes in here, though. Okay, and we'll just put some salt and pepper. We'll just let this simmer for a little while.
Mom, did I have no teeth when I was a baby, or did I only have one?
What?
When I was a baby, did I only have one? No teeth or one tooth?
When you were a little bitty baby, you didn't have any teeth.
And then I started to grow bigger.
Yeah, you did. Are you finished with your tree out there?
Yeah.
You did a good job.
Yeah, I put the letter on the bottom.
Oh, on the back of the tree? Oh, on the bottom of the stump?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, that looks good. Alright y'all, the soup was great. We're gonna make some more of the eggnog that we made the other night. I tried to make some earlier today and I got it too hot, and you can guess what happened there. It wasn't pretty. Okay, so we got the milk and the cream cooking up there. I'll link the video down below where we made the eggnog just in case this one doesn't turn out right too. It should. I just had it cooking too hot earlier. It needed to be on medium low and then turned all the way to low. Well, I didn't want to wait so long for it to come up to temperature because it needs to reach 160 degrees. I didn't want to wait so long, so I thought I'll just turn it back up to a little bit below medium and make this eggnog happen faster. It happened all right. It was gross. It got all clumpy and messed up. So if y'all decide to try it, make sure you don't do what I did, because it's a shame to waste 6 eggs. Well, 6 egg yolks. I saved the whites from them because I'll just make scrambled egg whites with this, or a fried egg white or something. But yeah, I lost those 6 egg yolks. I don't really love eggnog from the store. I don't hate it, but I don't love it. A lot of times, I don't know why, especially back when McDonald's, I don't know if they still have it sometimes, but they used to have an eggnog shake around the holidays. They always tasted like bubble gum to me. It was like a bubblegum milkshake. And even some eggnogs from the store, they taste like bubble gum to me. I don't know why. So I never really liked it. I mean, I like bubble gum. I don't know why I didn't like it, but I didn't. I guess I didn't like drinking bubble gum. I don't know. But this doesn't have that taste. It just tastes like a warm, creamy, or cold if you get it cold. It's just like a creamy cinnamon, nutmeg, vanilla goodness. It's great. So if you think you don't like eggnog, but you want to like it, because sometimes you might want to like eggnog, try this one. It's already dark, y'all. It's just a little bit after 6 o'clock. I hope I don't mess this batch up. I'm going to keep it on low. Oh my goodness, I dropped these tomatoes. Heavens to Betsy, child. Okay, let's get the maple syrup. Breaking up our egg yolks, and then we put in some maple syrup. You can use sugar if you want to use sugar instead of maple syrup, but that could also be what made this one so good, was it gave it that maple flavor too. This is just about it. At the end, once we get it up to temperature and remove it from the heat, we just add about half a teaspoon of vanilla. When we turn this down to low, we'll temper these egg yolks with a little bit of the mixture so they don't start cooking on us. And this time I will have it on low so they don't start cooking on us. Takes it a minute to come up to temp, y'all. This is why I was trying to hurry earlier, but it's definitely gonna work this time, as long as we just stay on low. I'm gonna go ahead and put the top on, and I'll just pop the lid so it can vent there. Okay. Tyler and Cody just told us that it was snow. Oh, I can see it.
I touched one.
You touched one?
Yeah.
Okay, y'all, it's the next day. I'm getting me a pan out because we're about to put some bacon in the oven. While the bacon's in the oven, we're gonna mix up some pancake mix. I have Bisquick left over from when we made the sausage balls, so we're just gonna use this morning. You can use any pancake mix, homemade, just add water kind, whatever you wanna use. These are gonna be maple bacon pancakes, but we're also using this thing. We've had it for many years. It makes little Christmas tree pancakes or muffins, whatever you put in here. I'll see if I can find one or something similar and link it down below. I think we've had it for like 5 or 6 years. Let's see what the bacon's looking like. Still got about 7 or 8 minutes on that. I'm gonna go ahead and plug up this little thing and let it be warming up. In this little bowl, we're gonna put some powdered sugar, just about 4 tablespoons. We're gonna put just a drop of heavy cream and a little bit of maple syrup. That should do it. So this is just like a little maple glaze that we're gonna dip the pancakes in. Okay, I'm gonna go with just a little bit more heavy cream because we just want a light glaze on these. And we're gonna chop up some of our bacon and sprinkle over the top. Tell us what you think about them. Good?
Tastes like pancakes.
Mm-hmm.